Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Samsung SCX 3400 laser multifunction printer driver in Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First step is check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy to check it. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. Wait for a few seconds. In a properties, scroll down and find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. That is also easy. Go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome. In a search, type Samsung SCX 3400 printer driver download and hit enter key on our keyboard. First link is from here. Here we find first link support.hp.com. HP printer and Samsung printers are now combined. That's why all Samsung printer drivers are on the HP printer. Here we find our printer name. Open the first link from the HP. Open the HP official website. And official website of this printer driver is open. Here we find Windows 10 and 64-bit. If it's not correct your operating system or bit is not right, then click at here, choose a different OS, select Windows. In a version, select Windows 32-bit if your machine is 32-bit. If Windows 10 64-bit, then select Windows 10 64-bit. Click on the update. This page goes to the refresh. After that, here we find the options driver product installation software. Expand it. Here we find basics drivers. Expand basics drivers. Here we find two drivers are IMP for us. First is the Samsung printer driver and second is the scanner driver. First, I go to the Samsung driver, these drivers, and here we find the download and download it. And after that, scanner driver. I first download the scanner driver, so I go to the scanner driver, click on the download. It's redirect me to the another page, and download is started at the top. At the top, download is started. Go to the downloads, click on show in folder, minimize it, and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Once again, go to the web browser once again, and this time go to the back. Go to this back button. It goes to the main web page. Make sure Windows 10 and your bit is properly selected. After that, go to the driver product installation software, expand it, basics drivers, expand it. Here we find our printer driver. Go to the here download and click on the download. It's redirect to another web page and download is started at the top. Wait for a few seconds. Download is completed. Go to the downloads, click on show in folder, minimize it, and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here we find our setup file, and these setup files, this printer driver setup file is actually zip file, and we are going to unzip it. For that purpose, I create one folder on my desktop. I right click on it, go to the new, create a folder, and give any name that you like. I give my print. You can give any name that you like. Give any name, and after that, here we find our printer driver, and we are going to unzip it. There are two very simple way to unzip it. Right click on it and double click on it, or right click on it and click on run as administrator. Both are same. Click on the yes. Now it's asked for the install or extract. Wait for a few seconds. Two options are appear on our screen. Here we find two options, install and extract. I click on the extract. You can also click on the install. I am going to the manually install, so I click on the extract and click on the OK. Now it's want to where you want to extract it. So go to the desktop. In a desktop, go to your newly extracted folder or newly created folder. Sorry, go to your newly created folder. Select that folder. Click on the OK. Click on the OK, and wait for a few seconds. And after a few seconds, automatically this box goes to the close, and our unzip process is done in a few seconds. Our process is done. Go to your folder. Double click on it, and here we find the drivers, and we are going to install these drivers. Close it. Next step is install it. Go to the start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. Here we find add a printer or scanner at the top. Click on that. Wait for a few seconds. In a few seconds, new options are pop up. New options are the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that. Click on the yes. Click on the yes. Close the upper printer options. Add a printer options. After that, here we find add a printer. In a add a printer, we find many options. Go to the last option. Last option is add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last option. Click on the next. Here we find port, existing port, most IMP part of this installation. Click at here and select USB. Select any USB port that you want. USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, USB 004. Select any USB port that you want. Select USB. Click on the next. Click on hard disk. Go to the browse. Go to the desktop. Here we find our folder. Double click on our newly extracted folder. Double click on it. Here we find setup. Go to the setup. In a setup, not a setup, go to the back and go to the printer. SPL. Go to the SPL. Here we find one single file. Select that file and click on open. Click on OK. Here we find our driver Samsung SCX 3400 series. Select our driver. Click on the next. Give any name that you like. I go with the same printer name and click on the next. It's installing our printer and it's take few seconds or few minutes depending on the speed of our PC or laptop. Our printer is now installed. If you want to share this printer in a network, then select last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer, first option. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a printer test page or click on a finish. Next step is install our scanner driver. That is also easy. Double click on it or right click on it and click on run as an administrator. Click on the yes. Wait for a few seconds and here we find install or extract. This time I go to the install. Click on the OK. Wait for a few seconds. Our new options are pop up. Here we find installation is started. Select this, check this, terms and conditions. Select this, agreement, installation agreement. Select this, check this and click on the next. Here we find four options. USB. If you want to use USB, then select this. If you want to use network, that means your Ethernet, then select this. And if you want to use wireless, then select this. I want to use USB connection, so I select USB. Or if you not want to connect your printer or power on your printer or connect to the USB to your printer later, then connect software without connecting the printer. Select this last option. I select USB and click on the next button. Here we find update. Wait for a few seconds or click on the next button. I wait for a few seconds. It's take few seconds. After a few seconds, we are going to the next option. Here we find advanced option. If you want to go to the advanced, then go to the advanced or click on the next. Wait for a few seconds. Scanner drivers are installing on our PC or laptop and it's take few seconds. So be patient and wait for a few seconds to install this scanner driver on our PC or laptop, Windows 10 PC or laptop properly in a few seconds. Wait for a few seconds to installation to complete in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It's take few seconds or few minutes depending on the our Windows 10. It's take few minutes. It's complete now. Click on the next. Click on the finish. Next step is check our scanner and printer is properly installed or not. Go to start, type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. Wait for a few seconds. Center it. Here we find, scroll down, and if you find Samsung SCX 3400 series printer or series, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.